यो वाक्य हेरौं। उसँग धेरै पैसा छ। He has a lot of money. He has a lot of money. आज हामी यस भिडियोमा पैसाको बारेमा धेरै कुराहरू सिक्ने छौं। You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. ल, अब एकपटक यो हेरौं त। उसँग धेरै पैसा छ अथवा ऊ पैसामा लुटुपुटु गरिरहेको छ। He is rolling in money. He is rolling in money. बुद्धिमानी पूर्वक पैसा खर्च गर। Spend money wisely. Spend money wisely. Wisely भनेको बुद्धिमानी पूर्वक। Spend money wisely. तिमी धेरै पैसा खर्च गर्छौ। You spend too much money. You spend too much money. कृपया मलाई केही पैसा पठाइदिनुहोस् न। Please send me some money. Please send me some money. उधारो माग्न, कृपया मलाई केही पैसा उधारो दिनुहोस् न। Please lend me some money. Please lend me some money. Lend भनेको उधारो दिनु। Please lend me some money. कृपया मलाई केही दिनको लागि अलिकति पैसा उधारो दिनुहोस् न। Please lend me some money for few days. Some भनेको केही अथवा अलिकति। Please lend me some money for few days. पैसा रुखमा फल्दैन। Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. पैसा कमाउन काम गर्नुपर्छ। You have to work to earn money. You have to work to earn money. ऊ कंजूस छ अथवा चुइया छ। He is a miser. He is a miser. यो पनि भन्न मिल्यो, ऊ कंजूस हो। He is a penny pincher. He is a penny pincher. यो चाहिँ अनौपचारिक रूपमा बोल्दा मात्रै भनिन्छ। He is a penny pincher. अब यो हेरौं, ऊ धेरै कंजूस छ। He is very stingy. He is very stingy. ऊ पैसाको मामलामा कंजूस छ। He is stingy when it comes to money. When it comes to money भनेको पैसाको मामलामा। He is stingy when it comes to money. जहाँसम्म म उसलाई चिन्छु, ऊ कंजूस छ। He is close-fisted as far as I know. He is close-fisted as far as I know. Close-fisted भनेको पनि कंजूस। He is close-fisted as far as I know. अनि तपाईहरूले अहिलेसम्म कंजूसको लागि धेरै शब्दहरू सिक्नुभयो। ती सबै के हुन् त? तल कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा लेखिदिनु होला है। Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel and Hamro online class if you haven't subscribed already. र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला। यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिल्यै नछुटाउनका लागि ऊ धेरै नै खर्चालु छ He is extravagant He is extravagant 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 भनेको खर्चालु He is extravagant यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ ऊ एक खर्चालु मान्छे हो He is a spendthrift Extravagant भनेको खर्चालु खर्चालु मान्छे चाहिँ spendthrift He is a spendthrift तिमी पटक्कै मितव्ययी छैनौ You are not thrifty at all You are not thrifty at all यसको अर्थ हुन्छ ध्यान पुर्याएर पैसा खर्च नगर्न सक्ने You are not thrifty at all मितव्ययी बन्ने कोशिश गर Try to be thrifty Try to be thrifty उसले धेरै पैसा कमाउँछ He makes a lot of money He makes a lot of money उसले धेरै पैसा कमाउँछ भन्नलाई He makes a fortune पनि भन्न मिल्छ Fortune भनेको भाग्य पनि हो धेरै सम्पत्ति पनि हो He makes a fortune उसँग पैसा छैन He has no money He has no money उसँग पैसा छैन भनेर हेला नगर Don't despise him for not having money Don't despise him for not having money उसले पछि धेरै पैसा कमाउनेछ He will make a lot of money later He will make a lot of money later उसले भविष्यमा धेरै पैसा कमाउनेछ भन्न चाहिँ He will make a lot of money in the future He will make a lot of money in the future ऊ पैसा कमाउन विदेश गयो He went abroad to earn money He went abroad to earn money म यहाँ पैसा कमाउन आएको हुँ I have come here to earn money I have come here to earn money पैसाको लागि झगडा नगर Don't fight for money Don't fight for money पैसाको सही सदुपयोग गर Use money wisely Use money wisely उसको शिक्षाको लागि केही पैसा छुट्याउनुहोस् Set some money aside for his education Set some money aside for his education Set some money aside भनेको केही पैसा अलगै छुट्याउनु हो जस्तै केही काम गर्नु छ कसैलाई पढाउनु छ भने त्यसको लागि पैसा चाहिन्छ त्यसैले अलिकति पैसा छुट्याउनु पर्छ त्यही नै हो set money aside भनेको Be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई like and share गर्न नछुटाउनु होला केही खुला पैसा राख्नु सामान किन्न सजिलो हुन्छ. Keep some loose change. It will be easy to buy things. Keep some loose change. It will be easy to buy things. तपाईसँग 100 रुपैयाँको खुद्रा छ? Do you have 100 rupees in change? Do you have 100 rupees in change? In change भनेको खुद्रा. Do you have 100 rupees in change? तपाईसँग 100 रुपैयाँको खुद्रा छ? Have you got change for 100 rupees? Have you got change for 100 rupees? उसले जुवामा पैसा उडाउँछ. He squanders money in gambling. He squanders money in gambling. Gambling भनेको जुवा. He squanders money in gambling. उसको लागि पैसा केही होइन. For him, money is nothing. For him, money is nothing. I get pin money by working part-time. I get pin money by working part-time. आवश्यक कुराको लागि कमाइने थोरै पैसालाई pin money भनिन्छ. I get pin money by working part-time. उनले थोरै पैसाको लागि जे पनि गर्छिन्. She'd do anything for a bit of pin money. She'd do anything for a bit of pin money. मलाई अलिकति पाकेट खर्च चाहिएको छ. I need some pocket money. I need some pocket money. ती बुढी महिलासँग अलिकति पनि पैसा छैन. The old lady has no money at all. The old lady has no money at all. मैले मेरो व्यापारमा धेरै पैसा लगाएको छु. I have put a lot of money on my business. I have put a lot of money on my business. Business भनेको व्यापार. I have put a lot of money on my business. मैले मेरो व्यवसायमा थप पैसा लगाउनु पर्छ. I have to put more money on my business. I have to put more money on my business. मसँग भएको सबै पैसा यति नै हो. This is all the money that I have. This is all the money that I have. मसँग अरु कुनै पैसा छैन. I have no more money. I have no more money. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have a beautiful day.